story. Pandi learns to keep trying with buttons. Pandi is getting ready in the coat corner. Pandi wants to button the jacket, but it feels a little hard. Pandi tries the first button. Pandi holds it carefully, but it does not go in yet. Bobo smiles kindly. Bobo gently says, "Keep trying, Pandi." Luna shows the button steps slowly. Hold the button, find the hole, and push it through, Luna says. Pandi tries again very carefully. This time, Pandi gets the first button done. Pandi feels a little more confident now. Pandi keeps trying and fastens the second button too. Only one button is left. Pandi stays calm and tries the last one while friends watch supportively. Pandi does it. All the buttons are done, and the jacket is fully buttoned. Hope you enjoyed this story. Subscribe to Bobo and Friends for gentle preschool stories about kindness, safety, and good habits.